Hello friends, so glad you are part of this. Coming your way in this episode, we'll discuss adding and subtracting fractions made easy for students. Let's chase the adventure. We have these two fractions, 7 over 6 and 3 over 8. And we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 7 times 8, which is equal to 56. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 56 plus 18, which is equal to 74. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 6 times 8, which is equal to 48. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out other videos.